In this video, we will show you how to earn PayPal money by just watching YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to make $100 per day for absolutely free till 2022. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is earn money from watching YouTube videos. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch our videos are actually subscribed. So, if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with a notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind. In that way, we will notify you whenever we have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Enjoy it. Step number 1. I want you to go to youtube.com. And from there, you can find different videos and I want you to click on any one of these videos. And step number 2. Once you go into the video just like this, I want you to make sure that you watch at least a minimum of 30 seconds of the video. And step number 3, you make money. All of these are real payment proofs from people all over the world for all the videos they watch. Now, here's exactly how much money you can earn from this. If you just watch one YouTube video, you can earn $3. When you're watching 10 YouTube videos, you earn $30. And when you're watching 50 videos per day, you can earn $150. And guess what? You can just repeat this as much as you want and keep on making money. And this is 100% legit, which is absolutely free. YouTube is actually available worldwide. And you can watch it from anywhere in the world. And right now all you need is just a mobile phone or a computer. I'll show you a few examples and a few videos that you can watch. Don't forget, I have a little surprise bonus for you at the end of this video, which is an exclusive tip that can help you earn 5 times more money by simply watching YouTube videos, so make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let us get started. The first thing that I want you to do is to click on the sign in button right on top, and that's going to take you to this page. Now if you don't have a YouTube account, you have to create a free YouTube account by just clicking on this button, creating an account, and choosing for yourself. And from there, you can literally create a free Google account and sign up on YouTube. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, one thing you'll notice in the left section is you can see the best of YouTube from there. YouTube will show you the best performing, the best video categories such as music, sports, gaming, movies, news, and so on. Right in this video, I'll show you a secret strategy that nobody's talking about. So I want you to click on gaming from there, and that's going to take you to this page. Under the gaming section, there are literally millions of people watching these videos on YouTube. And they don't know how they could be making a lot of money, but I'll show the secret on how to do it. And that's exactly how all of these guys are making big money on YouTube: $5, $10, $11 over and over again for every single video that they watch. So right now I'll give you the first bonus tip. I want you to focus on this category of video, Among Us, which is one of the most popular games that is trending right now. From there, when you click on Among Us, that's going to take you to this particular page where you can find a lot of videos about Among Us gameplays, and one of these live streaming videos is running right now. And all you have to do for the next step is to click on any one of these live videos. If I click on this one, that's going to take me to this page here. They are running a live stream. As you can see, a lot of people are watching this video, and there are a lot of demands and opportunities to make this kind of video right on YouTube. So make sure you keep on watching and I'll show you exactly how you can make a lot of money from this kind of YouTube video, and you can repeat this again and again for a lot of different YouTube videos right in this category. In order for us to turn those YouTube videos into actual money, we actually have to go on to the second website, which is severr6.com. On this website, you have the opportunity to shorten URL links and turn them into actual money. Now don't worry, I'll make it really simple for you. It's actually much easier than you think, and there are no other people talking about this strategy right now. And you could be making a lot of money if you watch this video all the way until the end. So the concept here is really simple. You have to sign up for a free account on severr6.com, and from there you have to shorten different URL links of different YouTube videos. I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a moment, and you could be making money with every single video. Now I'll show you one example and exactly how it works. If you're watching these YouTube videos, under here you can find the share button. Click on the share button and you will be able to find a YouTube URL link of this particular gaming video. From there I want you to click on the copy button. Copy the URL link of this YouTube video, and then all we have to do is to go back to this website 7r6.com and paste the link into this box. Now as you can see here, I just put the link to that YouTube video into this box and click on this little button. This website will automatically help me to convert and shorten the long YouTube URL link into a brand new unique link. As you can see here, now, every single time people click on this unique link, they are going to get paid. That's exactly how all of these guys are able to make big money right here on this website every single day. Once you've earned your money, you're able to cash out your earnings into your PayPal account, Web Money, Perfect Money, Payer, and so on. There are so many different payment options. So the first step that I want you to do is to go back to the home page, and I want you to click on the sign up button. And from there, that's going to take you to this page where you can register a brand new membership. And once again, this is 100% free and available worldwide. I want you to put in your username and your email, create your password, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then click on the register button. After you sign up for a brand new account, and when you log in, this is what you will see in your dashboard. From here, I want you to click on this button on the top, which is a new shorten link. Click on that, and that's where we're going to copy and paste our YouTube URL links, so we can shorten them and earn money. So right now, all we're going to do is just go back to our YouTube video, click on the share button, and copy this URL link. Then go back to our dashboard and paste our link right here into this box. And under alias, I want you to type in Among Us, which is the name of the video, and I want you to just click on the shorten button. And that is the shortened link. So step number 3, I want you to go back to YouTube and repeat the same process for up to 3 different videos. The more YouTube videos you copy and shorten the URL links, the more money you're going to make. This next bonus tip that I want to share with you is that I want you to focus on this particular category because you are going to be making a lot of money. I want you to focus particularly on live streaming videos. Now let's continue. I'm going to click on this video. And that's going to take me to another live streaming video. From there, we're going to repeat the same strategy. Click on the share button, then click copy. After that, go to your 7r6 dashboard and paste the second URL link into the box. And then we're just going to put Among Us 2 on the alias and click on shorten. That's the second link we successfully shortened. Remember what I told you, just repeat the same strategy. You have to find different YouTube videos, then just copy the link and shorten it with the help of 7r6.com. Now moving on to the final step, I want you to go on to steamcommunity.com. Before anything else, are you a gamer? What kind of games do you often play? Let me know in the comments. Now, this is a gaming website or a gaming platform where a lot of people discuss different strategies to play different games. Right now on the Among Us game, there are so many different discussions going on. As you can see here, a lot of people are talking about this game. This game is trending right now. And they're getting millions and millions of views every single day, so this is going to be your biggest opportunity to capture this trend with the help of 7r6.com and make a lot of money from all of these YouTube videos. Now basically what you can do is you can sign up for a free account on Steam Community and put up a post about Among Us or any other trending games, and share your shortened link into the Steam Community through that post. And from there, you're going to be getting a lot of clicks from a lot of people. They will view your link, click on it and watch the video. And for every single click, you're going to be making money, and from just one video, you could be making hundreds and thousands of dollars. For those of you guys who are still watching, I want to give you a special bonus tip that will help you to earn triple more money compared to other people. Now, this is going to be a secret website that I've never shared with other people. But right now I want to share with you the secret, which is moot.us. Basically, this is a special forum where you can find different people sharing about this game, Among Us. And there are a lot of people posting up different photos and different videos. Now basically, they're getting hundreds and thousands of views from all of these videos about Among Us gameplays. And since you watched this video all the way until the end, I want to share this opportunity with you to make more money, especially if you focus on this category. When you copy the link of this kind of video, which is a live streaming video, you could be making hundreds and thousands of clicks and you're going to be making a lot of money. Right now, as part of the special bonus that I have promised you, I want to share with you this free copy and paste template that you can use in order to help you make a lot more money. So you can just copy this template and you can share this on the Steam community or on moot.us forum as well. From there, you're going to be getting a lot of clicks on your shortened link and you're going to be making a lot of money. So this is just one of the examples in which you're going to get a lot of clicks. On the other hand, this is how I structured this template. Have you guys checked out this amazing Among Us gameplay video? It's mind-blowing. You can watch the live streaming video right here. And this is where you're going to put your shortened link. So just go back to your 7R6 dashboard and copy this shortened link right here, then go back to our template and paste the link right here. All you have to do is just copy this entire template and post them on these websites. You don't have to put in a lot of effort because these particular gaming videos are picking up a lot of trends and they're super popular right now, especially if you find a good video on YouTube which is getting a lot of views. So you're also going to get a lot of clicks on your shortened links. That's exactly how a lot of people are able to make so much money for every single video that they watch. So there we go. And now if you want to earn even more money, check the first link at the description down below to discover how to make PayPal money. Yes, it's possible and I'll show you exactly how to do it. If you want to get a chance to win free money from PayPal, click the link in the description of this video, and you can win $750. It's very easy. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notifications so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.